Now, Thea, you wanted to see, this is amazing. You wanted to see a concert on a yacht that's being overrun by walking sharks, and there is a bunch of seagulls in the air. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to see it?
hmm
Can you tell me your first name and your age?
my name is Taya and I am 10.
Fantastic. Now, Thea, you wanted to see, this is amazing. You wanted to see a concert on a yacht that's being overrun by walking sharks, and there is a bunch of seagulls in the air. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to see it?
hmm I
There's
like
a
it.
there's a lot going on. What do we think?
It's really good. I like the sharks playing the instruments. That's kind of funny.
Yeah, I took overrun. I was like, that's it. We're doing it. This is an all shark party.
Except for that one captain who I think is like screaming for help and trying to flag down an airplane. Something.
Exactly. Because I was like, you use this beautiful word overrun. That's such a great word. And I was like, how do I show that it's overrun? And I was like, we need a captain who's like clearly lost control of the boat. Where did it start? Was the first thing you thought sharks? Was the first thing you thought yacht?
Actually, the first thing I thought was a concert, except the whole audience is a bunch of sharks barfing rainbows.
I'm deeply grateful for you that we took out the barfing rainbows part. So, are you an artist as well?
Yeah,
All
I draw
right.
things.
Do you have any artwork I can see?
Yeah. It's not that good because I drew it pretty hastily. I
Don't you
mean,
dare.
all
We are not starting there. Your artwork is amazing, period.
yeah.
Oh, that is great. Wait. You are not allowed to preface. I want to talk about all the things I like about this. You've got such a great shadow underneath the skull, and you've got like light twinkle in the eyes. This piece is great. You are never ever allowed to start a conversation about your artwork with this isn't that good. Fair? Is that an agreement?
Okay. I also really like to color in drawings. I drew it's kind of like this like demon girl. There's like a
Oh,
bunch of
yeah. So is that colored pencil?
yeah, this colored pencil.
That is not easy to work in. So you're clearly a creator. You love to draw, you love to color. What other sort of things do you create? Are you a writer as well?
Yes. I mean, I like writing horror. I generally base them off nightmares I have.
Nice. I think that's a great idea. Do you feel if you write something based off a nightmare, does it take the power of the nightmare away?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah?
Also kind of nice because like every once in a while I have like a really scary one and
Yeah.
it's like, oh my God, this is so scary. I could totally turn this into a best-selling horror novel.
What do you think it is about creation that can actually make the self feel good?
I honestly don't know. Maybe you're like letting things out or like showing things.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Yeah, talk to me more about letting things out. What does art making feel in terms of what does it feel like in terms of letting things out?
My teacher, he shows us some pictures of like art that people made like way back in like the 1400s,
Yeah.
art like that, and like they're expressing how like they don't think slavery should be happen and like art that kind of shows how they're feeling.
I like to use art in that way too. I think it feels like a way for me to relate to the world that says like, hey, these things don't feel right to me, and I'm gonna represent that in this, whatever this drawing is. Yeah. Are there places in your life or in other school subjects where you feel like you're engaging with your imagination, but it isn't necessarily art making?
Maybe when I cook, I guess.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Tell me about cooking.
Well, I love to cook and bake, and I kind of experiment. Like, I am on a mission to find the best, chewiest cookies ever.
So where does imagination show up? Is it just sort of like playing with the ideas of different ways to do it?
Yeah, I mean, sometimes I decide to add like green food coloring, because what would bright green cookies look like?
Have you ever really surprised yourself with an idea you came up with for cooking that like either was really, really great or really, really bad?
Yes,
Yeah,
all
tell
the
me.
time.
What was it?
I went through a phase where I made cupcakes from scratch, like no recipe, and I just kind
Nice.
of experimented with it. Oh God, some of them were so bad, like awful. Like they were somehow way too sweet, except salty, and like I
Yeah.
tried one bite, the whole batch went in the trash.
Oh man. And did you feel like were you able to have a sense of humor about it, or did you just feel like angry and sad? Either is fine.
Both.
My friend, I could talk to you for hours. Truly, I could talk to you for hours about ruined bakes and imagination and coloring and all of the things. But this has been so phenomenal. Thank you so much for joining me today.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye.